It's too hot to do any acts. I'll save that for this evening. You know, I think I'm going to take a shower. I don't know, do you guys see my new solar shower? It's just garden hoses. We grabbed a bunch of garden hoses from the farm. We spread them out on the gravel, and it's quite hot out there. I'll show you how hot it is. The gravel is 109 Fahrenheit, and the hose is 109 Fahrenheit. I had this water 109 Fahrenheit the other day coming out the spout, so we're gonna go have a shower. That's like a hot jacuzzi. But what I noticed is I have my reservoir of water here. It's 87 degrees, so it's not that hot, but the hose is hot enough to take a good shower. Now when I went to start my pump, it didn't want to turn, and it's an old sprinkler pump from the farm. We just run it off solar. It doesn't draw much power, and but it seized up on me. We were almost giving it away, but I found that in here, just turn the fan a bit, and there I turned it a bit, and there's kind of like I don't know if it's an old pump. They kind of have a stall point, but here I'm going to turn it on. It's working. So I have water, and I want to shut this off because I'm going to take my hose over to my sprinkler. I don't want to waste my hot water. Now all we have here is a sprinkler wand just for watering your plants from it hooks onto any hose. That's all we're using here. Okay, so I'll go turn the sprinkler pump on and we'll have a shower. Woo! Wow, that's like a hot tub. That's like going to the hot springs. 109 degrees, 108 degrees. It's beautiful. It's gonna cool down quick. I only have 4 garden hoses. It gives me about a minute and a half. You know, it's enough time to get all washed down, and you know, that's all you need. Amazing. It's still hot, cooling down a bit. I've been in here for about a minute. It's just starting to cool down. Now it's like your shower at home. Now it's getting a little cooler. It's about where my wife likes it. Woo! I think I'm done.